Laura from MIG Training, and welcome to our Maintain Clean and Disinfect series. Ever wanted to learn how to clean a pair of scissors? Well, follow me. I'm wearing some gloves and an apron to protect myself. I'm then using my alcohol-based solution and I'm pouring that into a bowl and using a clean piece of paper towel. I'm then going to wipe the outside of the scissors to remove dirt, bacteria and buildup of product. I'm then opening the scissors and wiping the blades. I don't cross into the blades, I wipe from the outside. Just getting rid of any kind of dirt, hair buildup, and making sure that they work and move nice and fluid. The next thing I'm using is some scissor or clipper oil. I'm just going to put this in where the screw attachment is. I'm just putting a small dot and then I'm just going to move the scissors back and forth and then wipe any residue product off. I'm then going to put all of my dirty stuff in the bin and out of the way. And that's how you clean a pair of scissors. This is me checking for bluntness and I'm just cutting a small piece of hair and making sure it doesn't bend the hair. So once your scissors are clean, it's important that you put them in a clean, safe environment. So I'm putting these away in a scissor pouch and I'm going to zip it up and keep it out of way of anybody. It's important to put all cleaning products away and in a safe drawer or cupboard out of direct sunlight. So I'm just going to pop these in a drawer, making sure they're all closed up properly and out of anybody's way.